we're on our way to the Dollar Tree right now because I'm trying to find a few fall decorations just for my table. So it's like my island is my table. So I'm trying to do something there to do kind of like a fall decor on it. That's about it because my whole house is anti-decorations because of the children. So I'm trying to at least do the table. I will see if I find anything. I'm trying to do like a little, just like leafy, maybe like a centerpiece in the center of the table. That's it. That's what I'm trying to do. See if I find anything for the girls to do with me and anything cute. I'll see you guys when I get to Dollar Tree. Hello, Mr. Yaddy. Mr. Yaddy. Mr. Yaddy. Hey. What are you doing? So we're picking up one of these. You want to play with that, sir? So everything is like Halloween, but I found the thing. We have found it, Yaddy. Yaddy, 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 yaddy. We have found it. What can we get? Where are we here? Okay. We've hit the mother lode. There's so many more things. Cool. I'm gonna take some of these little leaves right here. Look at these little acorns. Wow, little acorns of pumpkin. Oh my god. I'm gonna leave this one and take that one instead. I have so many cool things with this one. So many cool things. Oh, look at that little sunflower. So I saw these pumpkins at the other one, but I didn't want the glitter because they get all over. But I think that's what I'm gonna have to do. What is this? It's a golden pumpkin. Oh, look at this pumpkin. This pumpkin. There's so many cute things. Oh my god. Little stickers. The store has a lot of stuff. A lot of cool stuff. So I only have 2 things so far because I already had other stuff from the other store, but we'll keep looking, see what we get. These little salt shakers. Oh my god, this one is so cute. Okay, I think I'm done. Look at these little things. These are pretty cool. They're little LED lights. It's pretty cool for Dollar Tree. These are so cute too. My sister bought some of these, so I think I'll pass. Okay guys, so I wanted to share with you guys everything I got at Dollar Tree for my fall haul decorating stuff. And as you guys saw a few clips before of us in the store, I went to the first Dollar Tree and they didn't really have much. They just had a small little section, and that section was like all out. So I was like, what is going on? So when we went out to eat later at night, there was a Dollar Tree right across the street from where we were gonna eat. So I stopped by, and that's the one you guys saw where they had like a whole row of like decorations there. I didn't get that many things. I try to limit myself because, so I'm gonna tell you guys my thought process behind everything that I got too. Yeah, I'm gonna try to do something cute with it. Basically, the only place I was really focusing on is for my table. My husband tells me not to call it a table because it's not a table. It's the bar area or something like that. So I call it our table, but he says it's a bar top. So anywho, besides the point. So I ended up getting this little square. Did I go to school? A rectangle. It's a gold little rectangle, and this right here, I am planning to make it my centerpiece for my bar top. So this is gonna be the centerpiece. I did end up getting, so I got some little pine cones. In theory, in my mind, I'm gonna put the little pine cones all around. I'm not sure if in the inside of the crevice or on the outside yet. I will decide that when I'm doing it. And they're silver. They had some gold ones that I showed you guys too, and then they had these other little pine cones, but I ended up deciding for the silver to kind of contrast the gold. I didn't want to go gold on gold. And I'm going to save a few, like 3 of them for, oh my gosh. I got this little wreath. It's made out of tree branches and little yarn or whatever you want to call it. I don't know why I spent $1 on this. I could have just went outside, picked up little sticks and made this by myself. And it's like lopsided. Can you guys see that? Lopsided indeed. Anywho, so for this one, I'm gonna make a little wreath. And I'm gonna save a few of these. And the only thing I'm doing, so since this is the lopsided side, I might do everything. So I'm gonna leave half of this exposed and then just kind of focus on the other half. This half over here. And make it into like autumny stuff. So I ended up getting these pumpkins like I told you guys in the store. I didn't want the glitter ones, but I ended up getting the glitter ones. Since it is going to be hanging, and I'll just put the pumpkins on here. The glitter won't be everywhere. I don't know why I'm still holding this up. I might put a few pumpkins in here too. Once I do that, I'm going to pop them off of the little stick. You guys can see my daughter's already popped one off. Interrupting the video here, guys, to let you know it's giveaway time. So thank you guys so much for letting me reach 200 subscribers. We're past 200, but my order was taking a little bit longer than expected to get here, but it's here now. So we're doing the giveaway. Yes. So simple rules. All you have to do is, of course, be subscribed because yes, it's for my subscribers first off. But before I tell you the rest of the rules, let me share with you guys what I'm giving away, because you guys might be like, I'm not interested. I'm not even going to subscribe because I'm not interested, and that's fine. I am going to be giving away, drum roll please, dun 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 dun. It's exciting. I'm excited. So I'm going to be giving away this Coach bag for the prize winner. I just got it in the mail because I was waiting for it, like I said in my past videos. It was taking a little while to get here. I'm gonna kind of open it for you guys. So it does come like this. It has its little handle. You put your hand in it. It's yellow and has all the Coach print on it. And you open it, and it's just like that. It has 2 compartments. Kind of sneak peek. That's it. So yeah, guys, all you have to do to win the Coach bag, and I also bought these little leaves. There's 50 leaves in here. So this right here is what I'm gonna focus on my wreath, putting a lot of these little ones all over on the side with the acorns, a few acorns and a few pumpkins. I want the leaves to be like the, we'll buy them, you know, like the acorn and the pumpkins just kind of like, you know. And then I ended up getting this sign, which says, I love fall most of all. So I love this one because literally fall is my favorite time of the year. Not too cold, not too hot out there. It's like good sweater, long sleeve weather. That right there is my jam. I don't know what I'm going to do with this one, but clearly I have to do something with it now that I bought it. And I was thinking about putting it somewhere just like in here, but it doesn't fit in here. So I was thinking this would be like the center piece of it. I might still kind of figure out how to put it in here. I'm still trying to figure it out. So I'll try to make a video when I do all these DIYs. I ended up getting some of this little decorative mesh. It's orange and black. I found this in the Halloween area, so it's probably more for Halloween, but we all know fall is orangey leaves, yellow leaves, the trees turning beautiful. This will go. So this right here is going to go around this first. And I'm going to make like little waves or something to put around inside the centerpiece too. So that's my thought process. We'll see how it goes, because we can think all we want until we actually do it. Giveaway time, guys! I know, such a weird spot to put it in, but you know what? I was trying to make sure you're kind of watching my video, at least a little bit. So all you have to do to be entered to win the Coach coin bag wristlet. So subscribe, like this video, and go follow me on Instagram, because I haven't been really emphasizing the fact that I have an Instagram. So you guys need to go follow me on Instagram. My link will be down below for Instagram. And then come back, leave me a comment down below, and let me know what kind of videos you guys like to watch in your comment. So your comment has to be what kind of videos you guys like to watch, or what kind of videos you'd like to see me do, so I can kind of get an idea what you guys are interested in, or why you guys are here, or what kind of videos you like watching. So subscribe, like, go follow me on Instagram, and leave me a comment down below what kind of videos you guys like to watch. And then please include your Instagram name in the comments so I can know that you guys have followed me. And that is it. That's easy peasy lemon squeezy. Back to the haul. Then lastly, what I got was this little sign. They say thankful harvest and welcome. So I was thinking about putting these on like a little, I'm gonna make like a little cardboard arrow and put these on there and kind of do like orangey. I'm not sure yet. I have to figure it out what I want to do with these, but I really like these. I'll see what I come up with for these. But yeah, that was it. That was my haul, because I was not trying to spend a lot of money. I have been looking on Facebook Marketplace. If you guys don't know, you guys need to look on there. People sell their stuff all the time. It's just like thrifting, you know. A lot of people are selling stuff, but I found one that I really like where she's selling all of her little pumpkins. So I think I might contact her and buy all those little pumpkins from her, because I kind of want to put pumpkins all around my house. You know, I feel like I used to be like super into Christmas, but Christmas just isn't the same anymore. So I think I'm more of a fall gal now. Anywho, guys, that is it. That's all my haul. Don't forget to enter, guys. And simple giveaway, 5 days to enter. I will do the drawing 5 days, and then I will post the video of the winner. So just keep checking back my videos and you will see who the winner is. The winner will need to contact me on Instagram through a message so I can get everything out to them, all their information. And if the winner doesn't contact me within 3 days, I will do a different winner. So please make sure you watch who wins. There will definitely be more other giveaways, so don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to leave your comments down below, and you're entered to do the giveaway. I will be doing the giveaway in 5 days, so I can't promise the video will be up in 5 days, but the giveaway drawing will be in 5 days. 200 subscribers. It's crazy. And we're almost halfway to 300. Like, what? It's exciting, okay? Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. And don't forget to enter the giveaway.